Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve spending habits with YNAB, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with improving your spending habits using YNAB, first, create an account on the YNAB website or app. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Begin by linking your bank accounts to YNAB for real-time transaction tracking. Next, set up your budget categories. Think about your monthly expenses such as rent, groceries, and entertainment. Assign dollar amounts to each category based on your spending patterns. Now, enter any income you expect for the month. This sets the foundation for your budget. As you spend throughout the month, categorize each transaction immediately. This helps you stay aware of your spending in real time. If you overspend in a category, adjust funds from another one if necessary. This promotes mindful decision-making. Each week, review your budget to assess your progress. Consider what's working and what needs adjustments. At the end of the month, reflect on your spending. Take note of any patterns or areas for improvement. Use these insights to guide your budgeting for the next month. Enable the goal-setting feature to encourage saving for specific expenses. Regularly check in with your budget to stay on track. Stay consistent, and remember that progress takes time. With dedication and practice, you'll see a positive change in your spending habits using YNAB. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.